Looks like my weatherproofing efforts have failed over the evening, which is fine, but I guess that helps me get the video I want of the girls coming out for the first time. Do I want to do it this angle or this angle? Hello, girls! They haven't seen an accumulation of snow before. She's like, I don't know if I can go over there. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on, it's okay. Good girl. Good girl, Rose. And Rory. Look at you, girls. We got Dorothy. Sophie's not so sure. Good girl, Saki. I know, it's cold, babies. You can come all the way down here. They're like, nah. We're just gonna go in here. I'm gonna leave the big doors closed, but I'm not gonna worry about putting any wrap around the outside today. It should be getting warmer in the next couple of days, so they'll be alright. Alright, girls, look at you. All settled in, ready for the night. It's gonna be cold, but it shouldn't get lower than about 23 degrees. And tomorrow should be a high of about 50. So, it'll get warmer tomorrow. Yeah, it's pretty cold tonight. Sorry, girls. We'll see you tomorrow. Stay warm.